Hi everyone, today I will explain to you how to solve the Skewb Ultimate. Before we start, I like to go over the rotations of this cube because for the beginners method we only use 2 rotations. Solving this puzzle is not very difficult, but you need to look at the puzzle the right way. So these pieces, the big ones, you can see them as the center pieces, and then you have the small ones that you can see as the corner pieces. And the rotations, actually you only need to know 2 rotations. So this one on the right hand side, you can do a right inverse and a normal right rotation, and the other way, left and a left inverse, and that's it. So you only need to know these 2 rotations to solve this puzzle. But let me give it a scramble so that we can start solving this puzzle. So as a first step, you need to choose a centerpiece and attach all the corresponding corner pieces to it. You can choose any one. I always go for, in this case, the yellow one. So we need to find the yellow and dark blue corner pieces. So let's do that. I see 1 yellow over here, and to insert it you can bring it up and bring it towards that one. It's immediately oriented correctly as well. Here is the other yellow one, so let's put it on its correct position. So we have it on the correct position, but we want to flip it like this one. And you do it like, okay, you push the left layer up, you bring the right layer down, bring the left layer down again, and bring the right layer up again. And now you've got them connected. It's super logical once you get the hand of it, but it takes some time practicing. But just experiment with the puzzle and you will find it out yourself. But this is how you connect the 2 yellow pieces. So we continue to the dark blue. You can flip the cube and try to search for a dark blue one. I see one over here, so I will bring it towards its spot. That's this one, and the other one is over here. So I will bring it up. And we do the same. So bring that one up, bring it down, bring it back, and bring the other one back. So this was the first step. You've got the centers and you now solved the corner pieces. So in the second step of solving this puzzle, we're going to place all the large pieces of the cube in the correct locations or in the correct slots. They don't need to be oriented correctly. So you always switch the top one to the one below, and this is where you want them connected. So in this spot you want a big piece with the dark blue. In this spot you want a big piece with the pink, in this piece yellow. So let's see what's on top. Well, on top we got one with the yellow, and yellow is over here. So what you do, actually it's the same algorithm that you use over and over again, but you need to find out how to hold the cube. Well, in this case, the slot needs to go here. So you hold it with your thumb on the big piece here. You bring it down. So you're going to bring the one on the top down. Bring it down. Oh, sorry. Bring it down. Rotate it back. Correct one yellow and correct the other yellow. And as you can see, you now switched the big piece that was here to the top, and you got one with the yellow over here. So we can continue because this is one where, let's see, this is like a light, well, greenish color, and that needs to go here. So that one is on top, that needs to go here. So let's switch these 2. So we're gonna bring it down, rotate it away towards the bottom, and correct both again. And as you can see, you now connected the piece. It's not flipped correctly. That's not an issue at all. And and we're going to continue solving it. So this, oh, the yellow one is out again. That's not an issue. Just continue solving it until you get all the pieces on the right way. So this is one with the dark blue. Rotate it away, bring it up, bring the other one up. So the dark blue is now over here. So we're gonna put the yellow in again. Away, up, up. And now we have completed this step. So as you can see, the small yellow piece that needs to go in between these two is here. The pink one is here. The dark blue one is here, and the greenish color is here, and white and blue on the top. So all the pieces are in the right slot, and that means that you finished the second step of solving this puzzle. We're going to continue in solving these 4 corner pieces. So in this step, you are looking for a situation where you got a blue and a white one on the side next to the small top piece. So it can be on this side, but it can also be on this side. That's not a problem. And what you need to do is you position the cube like this, and you perform the same algorithm as you just did to switch these 2 pieces, only you do it twice. So let me show you. You rotate it back, bring it down, bring it back up, bring it back up. And again, because now you switch these 2, bring it down, bring it back, bring it up, bring it up. And as you can see, the 4 corner pieces are now oriented correctly and in the right spot. But you do not always have a blue and a white one on the side, and I'm going to show you now what you can do if that is not the case. So here we have a situation where all the big pieces are in the right slots. Some are already flipped okay as well, but you don't need to pay attention to that. The corner pieces are not solved, and we do not have a blue and a white one on the side. So when you have the blue and the white one on the side, you hold the cube like this. But if you don't have the white one on the side, you rotate it once so that the small side of the top piece is facing you. And then you hold it a bit like this. You put your thumb on the small piece over here, and you perform the same algorithm as you did when solving the 4 pieces. So it's always the same algorithm, the same sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, let me check if there's some. No, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's see if we change the situation. No, we got a blue and a gold one here, and a purple and a green one over there. So we're going to continue doing the same. Hold it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see if we change the situation. Yes, we did. So there's a white and a blue one over there, and we had the cube like this. So we're gonna rotate the cube again, that we have the white and the blue one on the left hand side. And we now take the big piece, 1, 2, and we're gonna fix this. So we're gonna do the same again. Also, we're gonna first bring it down and then bring it up again. So bring it down, sorry, away, up, up, and again, down, away, up, up. And we now fixed the 4 pieces. This one is also flipped okay, but you don't need to pay attention on that for now. So that was the other situation. We're going to continue on flipping all the center pieces. So there are a couple of situations that can occur, and what we are looking for is that we have 4 centerpieces that are in the right slot but not oriented correctly, and 2 right ones. And in this case we've got 2 wrong ones and 4 that are right. Actually what we're gonna do, we're gonna swap the centerpieces to make sure that we have 4 that are not in the that are not flipped correctly. Sounds a bit strange, but that's the way to solve the cube in the beginner's method. So let's see, we've got the yellow one solved here, and what we will do is that we will keep a solved piece on the bottom, because the bottom piece will not change, and we will make sure that we have an unsolved piece at the back. And with that in mind, we perform the sequence that you've learned with 24 rotations. So let's just make 24 rotations. Oh, sorry. So now we've done 24 rotations, and as you can see, we've got 2 correct ones. So this one and this one. And we have 4 that are in the right spot, but are not flipped the right way. And now you can do actually the same. So I will keep the yellow and the blue at the back, and I will keep this one because I like rotating it with the, so I can keep my thumb on the big middle piece. So 1 on the bottom, that's correct, and 1 in the back, that's correct. And you hold the puzzle ball like this, and you perform the same sequence 24 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh. Yeah, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. And as you can see, you now solved the Skewb. There's one more situation that can occur, and that's that you have a solved one on the 2 sides actually. So like this. So this one is solved and that one is solved. You then hold the puzzle ball like this. You can also hold it like this. That's not an issue. So you have to put your thumb on the small one and perform the 24 rotations, and then you've got the 2 correct ones, and you can perform the 24 rotations to solve the puzzle ball. I hope this tutorial helped you in solving this puzzle, and I will see you next time in one of my tutorials. Thank you.